Hello guys, I'm Mr.G, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few parts of a very exciting process that almost every woodworker goes through. Actually, every woodworker goes through it. So this process is the process of deciding on a new tool, watching those videos, you're going to learn about that tool, you're then going to buy that tool, you're going to wait for that tool to be ready, or you can go get it right away, and then you're going to bring it home. This is very exciting for many woodworkers. So I'm going to talk to you specifically about this process when I went through it with getting my new 10-inch professional cabinet saw. There is another part to this of me assembling everything together. That is another exciting part of the process, but I'm going to talk to you about the before stages of unboxing and assembling. So with my process, we did a lot of research on it about which saw we want to get. We actually had the Delta saw originally, but then changed it over to a saw stop because I have it in school, because I take woodshop in school. So within saw stop, there are 4 different types. There's the job site one, the contractor one, the professional one, and the industrial one. And we weren't sure which one to get at first. We were tossing around. We actually spoke to Saw Stop about which one to get, and in the end we did decide to get that professional cabinet saw. One of the reasons was at the time they were doing a promotion where they were giving you a free mobile base for free, and we have a smaller garage, which you will see in other videos, and my shop's not too big, so I move everything outside the garage to work. So we were going to get those wheels, and it just made it much easier that those wheels were for free. Another reason why we got the professional was it's actually a smaller saw when taking up space when packed away, and again, my garage and workshop is not too big, so the smaller was better. It was more expensive, but I feel it's worth it. One of the reasons why I find saw stop to be greater than like Delta and DeWalt table saws is the special mechanism where it will check for conductivity, and if it's conductive like human fingers are, human flesh, it will release and the blade will stop in less than a second, which is really good because then you don't cut your fingers off. You don't gotta worry so much about getting injured, like cutting your fingers off. Yes, you do still have to worry about the kickback and everything. So the next step was we decide which one we wanted, so then we researched. So with Saw Stop, they don't have stores, they have dealers. So we got a dealer 45 minutes from where I'm from, and we decided on the professional, so we had it there. So a few days later, after deciding on the saw, I went with my pickup truck and we went all the way down to the store. I'm going to show you a few pictures of me down at that store getting it. They took a forklift and moved it, and there was about 6 boxes because they have the main box that you can see here. You have 3 boxes for the T-glide fence. There's the mobile base, and 1 or 2 other boxes as well. So it was an exciting thing seeing my tool put into the back of my pickup truck, and it was definitely fun bringing it home and knowing I'm gonna now have a table saw, but specifically a Saw Stop professional cabinet saw in the back in my wood shop. It was very nice. So then once we got home, it was still in my pickup truck, so my dad and I had to get it out. Definitely have another person with you because it is not a light box. This box right here is very heavy. So the way we actually did that was we took off the top, and then we took out a lot of the components inside and left just the cabinet in there, because that you have the extension panels and everything, so it made it much easier because you took out a decent amount of weight. So then after that, we got it back into my garage, using a dolly, and we now have it stored here. And that was my process of going through the deciding on the tool, then waiting and getting the saw all the way home. I know there are 2 more parts of this process, which is the, of course, unboxing. Who doesn't love unboxing? And seeing their new tool, waiting for them to be assembled, and then, of course, the assembly. So I will be doing the unboxing and assembly in the next few videos, because this process will take a while. I will be dividing it up into multiple parts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.